And tragedy and mystery continues to unfold in Jammu and Kashmir's Badal village in Rajouri, where a series of unexplained deaths since December 7th has claimed 17 lives, including 13 children and a pregnant woman. Despite investigations by local and national testing agencies ruling out any disease outbreak, 4 more people have fallen ill in the last 24 hours. Authorities have now declared containment zones and sealed the homes of affected families in an attempt to prevent further casualties. Let's take a closer look at the situation with this report.
In last 45 days, Budhal village in Rajouri has witnessed 17 mysterious deaths, and the cycle of mysterious deaths in the village continues. To investigate this, the Ministry of Home Affairs has constituted a special team, and that team has in fact started investigations and is already present in the village. This is the day second of the team, and they are inspecting and visiting several locations in this particular village. This village is a mountainous area of Rajouri district, and the team which has officials from different ministries, Ministry of Health and Welfare, Ministry of Chemicals, Ministry of Water Resources, they are assisting this team of Ministry of Home Affairs and are conducting investigations on ground zero. Now, at this moment, you see this team, in fact, led by the Ministry of Home Affairs officials, is present at the residential house of Mohammad Fazal. Mohammad Fazal was the first person who died on December 7. Later, his 4 children also succumbed due to this unknown disease. In fact, and now later, so far 17 deaths have occurred in this place because of this unknown disease. The Jammu and Kashmir government has not been able to find out whether this is a disease or there was some conspiracy to kill these people or to target these families here in Budhal village of Rajouri. Jammu and Kashmir government has ruled out possibility of any viral or viral infection or bacterial disease, but now the Ministry of Home Affairs has stepped in. They have constituted a special team. That team is already here, and they are taking samples from different spots in Budhal village. They are visiting the residential houses of affected families. So far, 17 people have lost their lives. This includes 12 children. Muhammad Aslam, a resident of this village, has lost his 6 children, a total of 8 family members in this tragedy. The death cycle due to this mysterious or unknown disease continues in the village, and to find out the actual reasons, this Ministry of Home Affairs team is visiting the place.
तमाम जो टेस्ट किए गए हैं उनके ज़रिए कम से कम इतना तो हमें पता चल गया है कि बीमारी की कोई ज़्यादा गुंजाइश अब दिख नहीं रही है। किसी भी वायरस या बैक्टीरिया का जो है कोई निशान हमें मिला नहीं है। अब बाकी टेस्ट जो हैं वो किए जाएंगे। इसमें अब पुलिस का भी एक सिट जो है वो कायम किया गया है। कल मरकज़ की एक टीम यहाँ ज़मीनी सतह पे पहुँच के अपना काम कर रही है। इसमें पूरी इन्वेस्टिगेशन करके हकीकत जो है हम लोगों के सामने पेश करेंगे।
मुझे लगता है अभी उसका पूरी तरह निष्कर्ष निकालने में लगे, लेकिन उसकी जो आरंभिक जांच हुई, जिसमें हमारी एक टॉक्सिकोलॉजी लेबॉरेटरी लखनऊ की थी, जो CSIR की लेबॉरेटरी है, उससे ये निष्कर्ष निकाला गया कि ये कोई इन्फेक्शन नहीं था, वायरस नहीं था, बैक्टीरिया नहीं था, ये टॉक्सिन था। अब टॉक्सिन क्या था उसकी जांच जारी है। तो एक लंबी सीरीज़ है टॉक्सिन्स की जिनको लेकर के टेस्टिंग की जा रही है, लेकिन मुझे लग रहा है कि जल्द ही उसका भी समाधान होगा, और अगर कोई शरारत है या कोई और उसके अंदर मैलाफाइड कोई गतिविधि रही है तो उसका भी पता चल जाएगा।